Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back. So I want to thank you guys for taking a moment to click on this video. This is a team build with Geo collaboration, and I am participating in the holiday cooking challenge. And for this particular challenge, I have chosen my mother's very own 7-Up cake recipe. She has cooked this recipe for our family for years, and I have yet to try it. So this is going to be a first all the way around for me. So you guys pray for me as I go along. I am going to go through the prep process. We're going to get everything mixed and in the oven. And then we're going to pull it out and we're going to take a look and see what the finished results do. What are your holiday traditions? What meals do your family like to prepare as far as desserts go? Drop down in the comments and let me know. Now, without further ado, yes, I just shampooed my hair, took a shower, coming in the door fresh from work. I'm all comfortable and clean because I really want to concentrate and focus on what it is I'm doing here, because this cake has got to be perfect, y'all. So let's hop right on in. Grab your snacks, your beverage, and drop down in the comments below and let me know what are some of the holiday dessert traditions that you and your family share during these holiday times. Okay, stick around. Let's get started. Okay, guys. So first and foremost, we are going to get started with step one. Step one, I have 3 cups of sugar already in my mixing bowl, already measured out, and I am going to add my 3 sticks of salted butter. Okay, so that is step one for Pandi's mama's 7-Up cake, baby. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna get started with just getting this mixed. So again, y'all, pray for me. She said this is step one, so we are gonna go with it. Let's hope we don't make a mess.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. too much to ask. A place forever in your arms. It's an early December morning. No one but we are.
All right, so now that we've got it all mixed up, it's looking nice and whipped and cakey. Let's just hope and pray that it tastes as good as it looks. We are going to put this in my oven. My oven does cook kind of fast, so I'm going to take her advice. I got my temperature already set at 315 degrees. I am going to set my timer for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and I'll keep an eye on it, and we will see what we come back with, guys. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for being here. Again, pray for me. This is my very first time attempting my mother's recipe of her infamous 7-Up cake. And yes, it is made with Sprite, because y'all know that the 7-Up formulation is completely different. It does not taste the same. 7-Up has kind of like a flat taste. She always makes hers with Sprite. So I'm following to a T, guys. See you in a minute.
A star, would it be too much to ask?
All right, so I got it out. Let's let it cool for a bit, and then we'll come back and take it out. OMG. OMG, I'm so excited, guys, for this to be my first time making my mom's 7-Up cake. I wanted to cut in there so that you guys can see it is fully done on the inside. It is nice and soft and very moist, and it turned out beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So y'all know I cut that first piece. Okay, so let's see what your girl working with. Get y'all first bite. Happy holidays. Baby. All right, she did that, y'all. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this team build collab. I am your girl Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Yo, that 7-Up cake turned out amazing. Amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did not remember to blow dry on that like button on your way coming in, please don't forget to do that on your way going out. Be sure to check the description box for the ingredients to this recipe. And sharing is caring. Go ahead and share this video out. Again, happy holidays, and thank you all for watching. Until next time, guys, stay safe out there, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.